Hi and welcome back. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter. I'm coming to you today with an amazing advent calendar. This is the first one I think that Art Impressions has done, or at least the first one I've seen, and I've been purchasing from them for, oh goodness, 10 or 15 years now. So I think it's the first, and I'm hoping it's the first of many to come. Fingers crossed. This came out just last week, and I asked for a rush shipment so I can get it so I could start doing some videos. I'm going to try to do one a day, fingers crossed. So we'll see how this goes. But let's get into this. If you haven't seen day one, go back and look at day one. I will link that video in the description box below. Or you can go to my website, nerdykrafter.com, and that will have all of the links to the videos there also, so you can check it out there. So let's jump into day two. Now, I did mention that this book here did come with it. You can break it open and you can see what's going to be included. I did open it up so I could kind of get an idea. So I had an idea of what I wanted to do and what I could do with the different stamps, if I could do them as standalone, if I need to bring in other products with it. So I'm going to try to do a little bit with just what's in the box. And then I may expand out as the days go and bring in some other products. We will see how that goes. But let's jump into that and see what we have for day two. Now, again, I'm probably going to do a silent video so you can just watch along. I may put music to it or just speed it up so you can hear the sounds in the background of the paintbrushes and the pen caps. When I'm teaching a class, it's hilarious. You can always tell when people are done because the pens drop and the caps come on and off, so it's always fun. So day two is a pine cone. And just so you know how I'm storing these as I'm working with them is I just have one of these plastic frames from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing them on here so I can kind of keep track of where they all are. Eventually I'll put them in a storage container, but for now, that is what we're going to be doing. So for today, I am going to do a wreath. So let's see how this one goes. Okay, so I decided on this paper here with the blue in the background. And it's such beautiful paper, so I'm going to just conserve as much as I can. So just put a little bit behind. So I'm going to move the rest of this out. And I love distressing my edges. And here is day 2 of the Art Impressions Advent Calendar. Quick, simple, and easy. Join me again tomorrow for day 3, and if you missed day 1, jump back in the description box below and find day 3 or day 1's video, and see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.